No, I do feel one for me, but I'm just gonna piece of shit.
That's the walk right on that last night.
The shrine?
You remember your slang glasses?
Dude, I got a pair of pit vipers. You wanna wear those?
No, it's okay. I have some in my bag, I believe, but I don't think it's on mine.
It's probably gonna be destroyed.
So good.
Turn right.
I don't know why it says turn right. Because it's showing left on the map. Oh, okay.
Turn left.
Now it's saying turn left.
Turn
Yeah.
left.
Yeah, we're going the wrong way. Sorry.
Well, there was a little way to cut through there.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is.
Yeah. This way. GoPro, start recording.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's recording. I have to check the app. Excuse me. This way. Oh. Oh, homemade tofu. Oh. 美味しそう。No.
That's all.
What, you just looking?
Yeah.
I got like a price on.
I think it has to be refrigerated, so I won't buy it now.
I was just trying to shit.
Whoa, I'm gonna be sweaty.
Yeah. You're wearing black.
When Madden.
Nah, it's just Madden.
Is it?
Yeah, if it ends in N, you don't have to add a vowel
So
after.
what does it say?
Madden.
That's it? 18?
18. 18년. 2018.
Oh.
There we go, down here. Yes, recording.
What's wrong?
Oh, no, it's something.
Oh. It's like, it's better to plug in there.
Turn right.
There's a big parking lot. Yeah. Ugh.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, little mini ginger. No. Yeah. It's a little miniature one. Okay, turn right here.
That other one up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Instead of the grocery store, but the grocery store is just closer.
Oh. That's it.
Somebody's crossing there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a gym here.
Any raids or no?
I don't think so.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh my God, someone's reported Tacoma. Yes.
No, there's no raids nearby.
Oh well, Sunshine City's better like
Yeah.
yeah, we have to
Watch
remember.
it.
Oh, sorry, I thought they were gonna stop.
Yeah, they're supposed to.
From 6 to 7 is the.
Yeah.
There's like 8 million. That building, how it goes like. See how it's
Oh,
like
yeah.
steps almost.
Yeah.
Like, why did you not just go all the way up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah.
those are
See the wingspan
It's
on it?
huge.
a raven or crow?
I think it's
I think it's a raven.
The crows are smaller, the ravens are bigger.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
they're even bigger in Korea.
You gotta watch out for them if you're eating on the street. They'll
They'll
like,
grab your food.
yeah.
They'll attack.
They don't attack, but they'll take your food right out of your hand.
That'd be very cheeky.
Okay, you want me to teach you how to clean yourself for the shrines?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so when you enter, you bow.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's okay.
There's a thing in there.
Yeah, so this is the. Oh, look at the owls. Yeah, it's awesome. So, this is where you cleanse your hands and mouth. So, you take a cup of water with the ladle.
Like this.
Yeah, those are directions. So, wash your
Hands and mouth.
left, then right hand, and then you take the water from your hand and just rinse your mouth and let it all fall here on the ground. Don't let it fall back in the basin. Okay? So go like this.
This is left first.
Well, I forgot.
Drink it?
You don't drink, you spit it out. Then you dump the rest out. Put it back.
I'm next. Okay, so right then left?
No, left and right.
Oh, left then right.
Yeah, I did it backwards.
Ooh, that's cold.
Okay.
You never showed me this last time.
I thought I did.
No.
I don't think we washed our mouths. We washed our hands though. Yep. Not over the thing. Not over the thing. On the ground.
Why do I dump in dirty water?
Yeah. Yeah. Then you rinse out your mouth. Yes.
And then a spit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think this is Owl Shrine. These are like fortunes. So when they get their fortune, you tie it up here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's more owls over there. Owls and foxes.
She actually spit water. She spit water.
She didn't spit? Did she drink it?
I'm never doing that again.
Okay.
If we get sick, it's your fault.
Okay. Josh, can you step back? Thanks. I'm gonna kill you. Do you guys want to know how to approach the shrine, or you don't want to do it? You don't know? No? Okay. I can show you if you want to. So there's some instructions right there, but you just stand in front and then you do 2 bows. Bow twice, yeah. Then clap twice. Now ring the bell. And bow again. And if you want to make an offering, you put 5 yen in that slotted box.
Oh.
You don't have to, but if you want to.
Use some change.
Yeah, I put 5 yen in. Apparently they put 5 yen because the gods, like the kami, the spirits, like the number 5.
Yeah, and
What
4 is
more?
bad, right?
Well, I don't know if 4 is bad to them, but
I think that's the bad luck number, and it's my favorite.
oh, well, yeah, it is bad luck to say the name, but I don't know if it's related to like the kami don't like it.
Yeah, I don't know. I just remember hearing that before, that number 4 is bad luck. So I just throw it in there.
Yep.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a nice little shrine.
What's that? Silver thing.
That's the other thing.
More offerings? Donations?
Oh. Yeah, you can donate there too.
Can you?
This might be a different spirit than that one. Different god or spirit.
There you go.
Did you put 5?
No. Maybe 20. 5 times 4.
You angered the kami.
How?
You didn't call the kami properly. Oh. I might have told you the wrong order because I think she rang the bell and then clapped.
Oh, you angered the Comey.
The Comey?
The Comey.
Comey. Okay, you want to see if there's any more signs?
Sure.
Oh, yeah, it says there's one 60 meters from here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2-minute walk.
Northeast.
Okay.
It's probably that tiny one we passed.
Oh,
Was it?
I wonder if it is. I don't know.
Do we have to backtrack?
It says there's one that's 2 minutes walks away, but it might mean that tiny little one.
Oh, the shrine?
Yeah,
Yeah, that little red one.
yeah. Oh no, it's different. This is the picture.
Head northeast.
Hardly ever, yeah. You mean on those bicycles?
Yeah.
No. Actually. Oh, I think we shouldn't have crossed, sorry.